Here we have number 3. You're going to find the area of each parallelogram. Please understand that each parallelogram here has a basic formula. Okay, so first of all, this is a quadrilateral because again it has 4 sides. The fact that it's a quadrilateral, we follow the same formula of A is equal to length times width. So let's measure everything. First of all, we can get this height right here. Oh, sorry, it's not length times width, it's height times base. Okay, that should be would be a better formula, base times height. Okay, this is your height, so that's your height. We can say h is equal to 5.7 inches. Then if this is height, what has to be perpendicular to it is this. That would be the base. If this is 4.7, this is also 4.7. So the base here is 4.7 inches. We plug it in. Area is equal to parentheses 4.7 times 5.7. So our area here is 4.7 times 5.7. That is 26.79 inches squared. B. Again, let's write down our formula. Area equals to base times height. Let's get the height here. The reason why we have the height is, do you see this? That is the height, okay? So this is the height right here. H is equal to 3.5. The base is going to be perpendicular to it, so it would be this part. What is perpendicular to that is the base of 5.8, all right? So base is equal to 5.8. All right, so we plug it in. Area is equal to base, which is 5.8, and the height, which is 3.5. Area is equal to 5.8 times 3.5. 5.8 times 3.5. That gets me an area of 20.3 meters squared. And the last one, this is not a simple quadrilateral. It has 3 sides. This is a triangle. So the area of that is 1/2 base times height. Here we go. Let's see. The base is right here, which is 2. And the height would be anything perpendicular to this, right? It would be this part. That which is just that 3 there. So that height is 3. Let's plug it in. Area is equal to 1/2 base, which is 2, height, which is 3. Plug that in. So the area here is equal to 3 feet squared. All right, there you go. Write your equation, label your pieces, then plug it in.